Welcome! Today we're at this beautiful location here in Tulum, Mexico with Simona, and we're gonna shoot some photos, some portraits with this budget lens, this nifty 50mm 1.8 lens, so that you guys see that you don't need expensive lenses or expensive equipment in general to take beautiful photos or videos. So Simona is gonna be the model. I think it's gonna be pretty easy to take good pictures of her. So let's test out this lens. Moving around all the time. So, you know, you hear the shutter, you can look up, you can look down. Oh yeah, okay, I like this. I like that you see, because you have this split here in your dress. So I like that you're like this. Experiment a little bit yourself and I'll take a bunch of photos. Looks really good actually. Let's go a bit over there. Ah, it's actually, yeah, it's nice because with the dress, you see the shape. Oh yeah, stay like this. Yeah, okay, looks good. Yeah, actually, let's do somewhere you're kind of having a bit of fun. You're more walking and just having a good day at the beach. I don't like it. No, I'm not a big fan of dogs, or at least not when they're like this.
I think he's trying to find some food or something he put there.
Yeah, but I don't want to be his food. What I want to try maybe first is that you're a little bit more here. Okay. So that I can shoot like this. And you will be a little bit more inside of this plant. Oh yeah, it actually looks really good. Oh, stay like this, yeah. Okay, and indeed keep playing a bit here. And even, because I don't see the boots, okay. But even if you don't see him, push it up, because it will create more curves. Okay. In a, no, this is perfect actually. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1, yeah. Let's try it out where you're the other side, where you're like this. So you don't push it away, but just... Okay, that's great. So we had a cloud for a second, which the sun is in general a little bit too bright right now to shoot, but if a cloud covers it, then it becomes like a nice soft box, which gives actually very flattering soft light on the model. So we are waiting and hoping now that this cloud will just cover the sun to get this one shot here, and then we'll go to the next location. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's let's forget about it. It's a rough one.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
I think I look like a dead animal.
Which one? So it's always good to have some contrast. That's why Simona is gonna put the black dress now. That's gonna be like nice against the brown here of the location. And as you can see, we went out of the sun and we're now a little bit more in the shaded area. And I will show you maybe another thing. Because obviously you probably already know that shooting in the shadow is good when the light is hard. There's actually two types of shadows. This one is the sun is coming from there and it's shining on me, but I'm in the shade, so it's still lighting me up, let's say. Where if I do this one, I'm in the shadow, but I'm in backlit shadow, and obviously that makes me too dark and still blowing out in the background. You see what a difference this is? Very good, nice light and shadow. Shadow, but still pretty bad lighting. Actually, this looks really nice. And yeah, look over your shoulder to me, because I actually like how that looks. Yeah, this looks really good. Okay, great. Let's try something different. Kind of like the reflection there of you also. So we'll shoot a little bit like this. And you can be, all your poses now can be quite, Okay, it's not bad, but it's maybe a little bit boring, so let's try the ones. And now you can just pose freely and make sure that it kind of covers a little bit half of the face, so it's a little bit more wild. Yeah, do it like this, yeah. And try to keep your face a little bit down and then go through the hair, so it kind of covers. Yeah, and just keep moving. We're in Tulum, so you need some Tulum jewelry. Oh my god, it's actually gonna be perfect with the hat. Because the hat has a bit of a turquoise color, and these stones, crystals, I don't know what you call it, also have a little bit of the same.
Moon crystal.
Moon crystal, perfect.
Yeah. I was surprised that Dario doesn't know this kind of jewelry. Like everybody, everywhere wear this.
Oh yeah, well, it's his first time in Tulum. Next time he's gonna be wearing this himself.
Yeah, I'm still a Tulum version, so I'm still learning.
It's a new building, and they're maybe not gonna be happy with us doing some interior design here, but you know, we gotta make it nice for the shot. All right, okay, no, this is actually quite nice. So let's maybe start with a frontal one where you're indeed like this. All right, and just be switching the poses all the time a little bit. Yeah. Okay, perfect.
You can make the pose and I will adjust.
Yes, because I want that it hangs here, but I want the hair to be away.
I understand. You can build the pose and I'll...
Yeah, so, yeah, and just pose however you want, look in different directions.